Hi there, my name is Bridget Mackay. I'm an estate planning and elder law attorney in Petaluma, California. This is my video blog, and today I want to talk about no contest clauses. So these are clauses that are in wills or trusts more commonly that kind of say, hey, beneficiary, if you choose to challenge this trust, then you're not going to get a dime. These are pretty standard clauses in trusts, and I often have clients ask me to put them in even though they're already in our trusts. But there's something you should know as a person who's going to make a trust, and that is, we assume this is going to prevent fighting on the other end. Once we pass away and our trust is administered, we're hoping that this clause would make it so our beneficiaries don't fight. Although this clause has changed in its power, I guess, over the last several years. So there's been laws passed that are narrowing when you can claim it's a contest. So in other words, if I were a trustee and I was administering a trust and a beneficiary was upset about the content of the trust, so the trustor had said this beneficiary is getting less than another beneficiary or left them out altogether, then that beneficiary could sue the trust and I would have to defend it and say, hey, this person can't sue this trust because there's a clause in this trust that says if anybody decides to sue, they lose everything. And so usually these were built into trusts as a deterrent to those future beneficiaries that feel like they want to get litigious about the trust. Here are 3 things you need to know about these clauses. Number 1, over the last 5-10 years or more, the definition of what a contest is has narrowed. Number 2, along those same lines, attorneys for the beneficiaries can now petition the court and ask, hey, we're about to file this lawsuit. Would you consider that to be a contest? So they get this sort of pre-ruling about whether it can be a contest or not. And the third thing is just a practical thing. If you're building a trust and you want one of these clauses in it, is that always give, if there's someone you want to exclude from your trust, you should really give them something that would make it not worth it for them to lose if they were to sue the trust. It's probably the best part of advice I can give on these types of clauses. If you want to know more, contact an experienced estate planning attorney in your area and ask them.